copper, known for its challenging properties in welding application, can be effectively joined using friction stir welding. Its high thermal conductivity can lead to a rapid heat dissipation out of the weld. FSW has a solid-state process, allows for precise temperature control, preventing issues like warping or distortion. Adjusting welding parameters is a key to prevent these challenges. Skilled techniques and choosing the right welding methods and tooling are essential for harnessing copper properties. Any further questions? Contact us.